Hello again, and welcome to the next video for Amazon Selling Hustle. In Module 6, we are going to list and optimize. Step 1, you're going to create and optimize your new private label listing. Step 2, you're going to create and optimize your listing photos for maximum listing attraction. Step 3, you're going to create and optimize your listing title to maximize search results and rank #1 for multiple keywords. Step 4, you're going to create and optimize your bullet points for maximum search results and sales. Step 5, you're going to create and optimize your description using HTML for extra listing quality. Step 6, you're going to create and optimize your backend keywords / search terms for maximize search results. Step 7, you're going to do A and B split testing, the aforementioned listing sections, and evaluate different versions for maximum sales performance. We'll see you in the next video.